Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Strikers Club game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, here for the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Next fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -DX12 or -D3D11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11 first, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, this time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this UFG exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then open the UFG folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. First double click this UFG Win64 shipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, just uncheck all of them, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the Strikers Club folder, open the UFG folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this UFG Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance and also make sure optimization for windowed games is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the Strikers Club game folder, select this UFG exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open UFG folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select UFG Win64 shipping exe file, click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the Strikers Club game folder, select this UFG exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse, open UFG folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this UFG Win64 shipping exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you can allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then launch the game and check. Later, you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7, select high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel and open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Click on manage 3D settings, click on program settings, and then click on add. Now in the list, look for the Strikers Club game. Here it is, and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see Strikers Club over here, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Strikers Club game folder. Open the UFG folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this UFG Win64 cping file and then click on open. After adding it, from the drop down here, select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply button. Don't forget to hit on apply button to save the changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to disable the integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open the device manager. Now expand the display adapters, and here you will see the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and enable it. Fix 9 is to update your graphic card driver. Now NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Expand the advanced graphics settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just toggle it off and then restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned off, then turn it on and then again restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to set power saver in power options. Try a different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Click on hardware and sound. Click on power options. Now in my PC it is showing balanced option, but in your PC if it shows balanced, power saver and high performance, then first select power saver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and check. If that also doesn't work, then you can switch between these three options, balanced, power saver and high performance, and check which one works for you. Fix 13 is to lower down graphics settings if able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game, then you can perform this fix, or else you can skip this fix. So first of all, launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on this gear icon and then click on settings. Then go to the graphics tab, and here you will see the graphics preset. If it is set to high, then you can set to medium and then check. And you can also select low and then select save and then check, or you can also select this windowed mode to windowed, and then you can select the resolution. If it is selected 4K over here, then you can select 1920 by 1080p and then click on save, and then you can check. You can also turn on VSync and then check, or you can turn it off and then check. So just reduce the graphic settings and then check. Fix 14 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Strikers Club Game, click on properties, and here you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. and then launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. If you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 17. Now if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Strikers Club Game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Strikers Club Game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.